You can expect a lot from the 2002 Ford F-150. A 5.4-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 4-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, remote keyless entry, adjustable pedals, and cruise control. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.